and welcome. Today I will show you how to create a traditional headpiece using this pink thread. We're also going to be using some carnations, some spider mums, and some sprayed silver ruscus. What you're going to need is you're going to need to cut off about double the length of your head, or however long you want it to be, and you're going to need to find a place to loop it around twice. You're just going to loop it in half twice, like so. You're going to tie it at the end to secure it. And you're just going to cut off and leave about a long piece. You're going to need that. As you can see here, it's a pretty long piece. So we're going to begin preparing our leaves here. You're going to cut them off a little bit above the stem, like so. Same with the spider mums, you're just going to take a couple. You're going to take them off of the flower. You're going to take a few petals of your carnation as well. You're going to take your leaf and your little pieces of spider mum petals here, and you're going to just kind of wrap your spider mums in the leaf, like so, to make it like a little blanket around your spider mums. Leave the top and take your carnation petals, and you're also going to do the same, kind of wrap your carnation petals around the leaf. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our two strings, and you're going to put it right in the middle, in the center, right at the bottom. And you're going to take that long piece and you're going to kind of tie it together, like so. You're going to loop it and tie it and secure it. Make a kind of like knot. And you're going to leave it there and continue repeating the same pattern. So just continue to wrap your spider mum petals in your leaf, and then once again with your carnations, going to put it right in between the two pieces of thread, and then you're going to take that long piece of thread that you have and kind of just twist it and knot it through like that. Create a knot, tie it very tightly, and there you go. And just continue repeating this pattern until you reach your desired length and your desired design. So once you're done, just simply take it off of whatever stand you were using, and you're going to take a piece of ribbon and loop it through that final piece over there at the very beginning. Tie it up, secure your ribbon, and you're going to use these two ends to tie it together. Of course, the length of your hairpiece is totally up to you, but here I'm just making it this length. I'm just going to now trim this bottom piece. And once you're done with that, then you have your hairpiece. So you have your 2 ribbon ends, and you have everything that you need to tie together. So thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments, questions, or concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.